When moving money across international borders, you will often hear the terms repatriable and non-repatriable. Let us break down what these actually mean. These terms define whether your money can be legally moved back to your home country or if it must stay in the local economy. Repatriable funds offer total freedom to move your capital anywhere, while non-repatriable funds are generally locked within the country of origin. As this chart shows, the ability to transfer funds across borders is drastically higher for repatriable accounts compared to restricted ones. Investors often use repatriable funds to manage their global portfolio and ensure they can access their capital wherever they might be living. Non-repatriable funds are typically used for local obligations like taxes, property maintenance, or bills that must be settled in the local currency. Regulatory compliance is absolute. Moving non-repatriable funds across borders without authorization can lead to significant legal and tax penalties. Remember that both types of funds hold value, but only repatriable funds provide you with full control over where that money lives. Understanding these categories helps you manage your international finances effectively. Please check with a tax professional regarding your specific situation.